Hello everyone, this is the Coleman Sundome Camping Tent, and it is 7 foot by 7 foot, and it says it fits a queen size mattress, and it does, because I had one in there. This also has an e-port where you could unzip this here, and you can put a extension cord through for electricity if you had it. It has a door here, and behind the door is all mesh, another zipper, and you can leave the door open, have ventilation. And also, if you wanted to take off the rainfly, you could do that. You could take off the rainfly, and there's mesh all the way around, so you could have ventilation all the way through. It also has a welded floor, so with the rainfly, you'll keep it dry inside. And around back, there's another vent. Now this vent here, I don't have it staked in right now, but if you wanted to, you could pull this out here, right here, and stake that in, and then you could have another vent if you wanted to use that as well. So this does come in a 6, 4, 3, and 2 person, and it comes in another color if you wanted to look and see. I'll leave a link down below, and I'll talk to you later.
Hello everyone, this is my Sundome tent here. This is 7 foot by 7 foot by 4 foot high. I just wanted to go over quickly how to put the poles together to show you how to put these together. So basically there is a flexible string in here, and this is taken apart. You might find this all wound up. In fact, this is how you will find it. And then basically you will slide this into this slot, slide this into this slot, and so on. So you'll do that to all 3 of these. This is the one for the awning. So basically you'll just crisscross these. I wasn't going to show this, but I figure I had some time. Put this through here, and then keep sliding it through. And then I'll do that with this other one here. So again, we will do some here. Pull this back a little bit. Again, I don't have this staked in. Normally I would have this staked. Now I'm just going to pull this up. And then this side here. The area here where you have this peg sticking up, you have this here sticking up, you just put this in this side. You gotta watch sometimes, because sometimes when you do this, it may come apart inside of here. So you'll have to put that back together. So now we'll lift this up, and sometimes this happens here. And you gotta get it strung back through here, so it's this here, because that actually helps hold it up when you have it staked out. And then, because I didn't have it staked out, I gotta pull this through like this. Okay. So you see that side came out, so that's why you always stake it out first. Again, this is what you don't want to have happen, and why you definitely want to have it staked out first. I keep saying that, don't I? Now, that's because yes, it makes it much easier. So now I'm going to go back and stake it, and that's why you always, I'm going to say it again, stake it out first, meaning that first you want to square it onto your tarp. I always put a tarp down. Some people don't use a tarp. I use a tarp because I want to protect the bottom of my tent, because sometimes, most often, there's some kind of sharp edge. And then get your stakes. Usually I have the tarp folded all the way under up here, have it all the way to the top of the edge, and then 45-degree angle, stake it in. Usually you have to pound those in. Very seldom can I put those in with my hand. Pound it down with your foot if you got shoes on, or if you can do it without shoes, and then just go all the way around. So I have that out a little bit. The tarp is on the edge on this side, and then the tarp, I put this at a 45-degree angle, so that one went in. Should be another one here. That. So this is actually your vent, and I don't want to pull this tight, or that, I don't want to have it that tight. And then go around and get the rest of them. Put the rest of them in, and yeah, that's how you do it. And I don't pull this real tight. I do pull it a little bit snug, but not real. I mean, I don't like to have it real tight. Then you can put your guidelines in. Guidelines. A lot of times I won't use those unless it's going to storm. I mean, if I know it's not going to rain or anything, I don't necessarily always put the guidelines in. And so there, I got those in. Again, this is the Sundome 7x7.
All right, everybody, one more time, stake your tent in first. And I hope you liked the video. If so, please subscribe, like, share, hit the bell for notifications so you never miss an upcoming video. And please don't miss my next video. Thank you for watching, and talk to you later.